Number 10 nut. So that's out of the way. That's out of the way. It's out of the way. This is out of the way. I disconnected this plastic thing from here, from this bracket. I couldn't take it out, so what I did, I disconnected the bolt. Then I did this afterwards, so that I have movement, because otherwise this thing was like stiff in one place. It wasn't moving. So now I can move it out of the way, as you can see. Mess with it, man. And we did all the sensors on this side, so we can probably take this thing out, this housing, because this housing seems to be separate. We'll do this first, okay? So number 12. Here we go, number 12. The one far away from the center, right? Far away from the center. It's gonna lose. Wow. This one. I don't know the order on this one, so I'll just go with instinct, man. Further. These are loose. What the heck is going on? Okay. Let's continue. There's nothing there. This one. I did this one. I did this one. And I'm assuming there should be another one somewhere over here. Okay, here's another one. You can see it, but whatever. And there's another one somewhere. In here. No loose. What's going on with this? I wonder why the car was running lean. Now let's take them all out. The order doesn't matter. Always don't forget to detorque it, okay? It's important. You can go right at it. Swarm on it, man. Can't even see what I'm doing. Okay. I want to lose this, so see the ones in the center, the inner bolts are longer, outer bolts shorter. Outer bolt, just keep that in mind. If not, just try to put it in. Don't try to put it in with a ratchet or something. Just by hand. Everything by hand. Always finger tight first. Always finger tight. By hand. No, that's why it's called finger tight, right? Otherwise, it would have been power tool tight. Here we go. That's out. It's out. Here we go. One more out in the pile. Oops. Okay, now you can see what's in there. Another hose. This hose, you might want to replace it now because See all the work I did to get to this part? You don't want to go through it. Make sure you get it from the dealer or something. You can get the rest of it from the local auto store. They're right here, right? Like this one. But this, don't cheat yourself on this one. Okay? It's gonna cost you some money to pay somebody to get it fixed if you don't do it right, or can't figure out why it's leaking everywhere in the middle of your engine. Right? Okay. There we go. Let's get this rolling. Where's my pliers? There we go. Let's try to remove this clamp. If this doesn't work, I have the the channel locks. This one has a little, like a little arrow shape kind of thing right there. You can see it. So if you can put this little part in behind this, where the right here, it locks itself. Okay, I'm gonna give it a shot. Normally that's how you get them new from the dealer. I sell them to you locked, and it's not working. Let's try the next one. There's a special tool for everything, right? Who wants to spend 80 bucks on something you're not gonna use it? Alright. So here we go. I did one side. Do the other side now. That should do. There you go. Got it. Kind of squeezed it and twisted it just a bit and let go in it. So went in there. Okay. Just in case you struggle with it. Wiggle, wiggle, wiggle. It comes out. There you go. Boom. Boom, shakalaka, boom. There you go. The other one. Since I'm replacing it, I'll remove it. Okay, watch your fingers, because this thing might just snap. And guess what? Okay, if this is not coming out, remember the pick. You can use this pick. This is a special one for hoses, to remove the hoses. But like I said, I make the best of what I have. And I'm trying to, I'm dropping stuff, I'm sorry. And remember about the knife that I mentioned? Just in case this happens and you have to cut the hose. Worst case scenario, got it and get it out, right? Okay, let's see if we broke it loose. Here we go, see? All it needs is a little bit of TLC, man. TLC. Okay, we got that out. Boom, boom. You get this out since we're here. Oh, this thing's loose. I didn't even touch it. This is loose too. Check it out. By hand. Hopefully yours is loose too, like this one. Well, if you're fixing it right. Not in a bad way. I mean, The loose is bad. Keep it in one pile, whichever you're taking out. Try to keep it in an order, okay, so that you don't struggle later on. Try to put it back on, like I do. Right there. How do I get this out? Okay. There we go. Let's get a little 12. Pick this up. 12. Watch the sensor, don't go too crazy right next to it. All you need to do is just loosen it. You need to completely take it out. You can take it out by hand, right? Be like some guys, they use a half-inch impact gun to put the little shaft bolt that goes on the back of the axle, you know. 4 little bolts, 11 millimeters with an impact gun, without finger tightening or anything. I've seen it done at a shop. You know? And some people say, no, I don't trust that guy. I'll take it to the dealer. Guess who works at the dealer? Human beings, right? We all make mistakes. It's just that some people get the proper training, right? Some people just are in it for the money to rip people off. Which is messed up. So all mechanics have bad reputation. Okay, this one I'm trying to figure out. Like I said, this is my first sienna. If it's all the way, oops, I'm getting tangled up. It's all the way down. I think it ends right there. It should end just right there. Just the neck. I'll get my special weapon. Here's a little tap. See? Easy. Piece of cake. Yeah, piece of cake. So now it looks like a broken engine, right? It's a good time for you to inspect your knock sensors, because they're in here. This one seems a little melted. As you can see, this one is like melted right there. I don't know about this one. Look, check it out. Get a little closer look. See? I'm gonna have to let the guy know. It's my friend's brother. Okay. So since I'm changing one, I might as well replace both of them, right? I gotta check out the new one now. I don't know if this is a weird Toyota model. So they're supposed to look really weird, you know? But anyways, I'm suspecting that it's bad. Okay.